guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tipster Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at Systeme.io and honestly, the simplicity of this tool. So I've been working online as an affiliate marketer as a side hustle more than anything else because I do have a full-time job, but I've been using a tool called Systeme.io to build and learn, grow, and I think that this tool is going to be useful for you. So I'm going to hop on my screen and share a little bit more my views on it and whether you can start to build this whole process about getting to $1,000 first and foremost per month with affiliate marketing. Guys, let's jump on my screen. Awesome. I'm here on my laptop and I wanted to share with you before I get into talking about Systeme.io, talking about what it is, how it can help us, how it can actually build our entire fundamental pillars of affiliate marketing when we get started online. As a new person, if you're watching this to know a little bit more about Systeme.io, I'm sure you know other tools like ClickFunnels, Groove, Lead Pages, a Builderall, Power Lead System. There are so many out there. There's still Online Sales Pro, if I'm not mistaken, and there are so many others that are available for you. Literally, this is a software that everybody needs when it comes to marketing. You have many choices. So why am I so keen on the simplicity of Systeme.io and what it has to bring on the table? So first and foremost, as I said before, I am an affiliate marketer. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tipster Dave. And this channel was created to help you pave the way for dreams to come true, but also document my journey as an affiliate marketer, as a trader, and so much more. So every skill set that I learn, I'm basically going to be sharing on this channel and documenting that journey. It's not about or promoting, but more than anything else is it's documenting the journey. That's why I created this channel. So I'm going to be talking to you guys very openly, very transparently as an affiliate marketer. So I have got my ups and downs, but at the end of the day, I created this formula, which is following the fundamental core principles of affiliate marketing, in my opinion, and the two skill sets that are needed, which is advertising and copywriting. No matter what anybody says, these are the two skill sets that will always remain within marketing, because advertising is basically bringing customers, and a lot of people just focus on advertising. And then you have the other side, which is copywriting, where you build your sales funnels, you build your blog. If you are advertising in that way, you are writing emails, everything related to the ad copy is all copywriting. So it's really important. Email marketing, for that matter, is all related to copywriting. So these are the two skill sets that I focus on 100%. And if I come across systems, if I come across products that don't focus on these two skill sets, I honestly don't really care about them. The reason why I say that is because I think that if you learn these two skill sets, everything else just falls into place. You can create your own products and services. I believe that in affiliate marketing, there are two phases. One is you learn the skill sets that are needed. And second is you can create your own product and then apply those skills to your own business, to your own product. Let's give you an example that initially you're an affiliate marketer and then you like to do a specific thing. So say you like to do coaching, or you like to have a service where you're a gardener, or you're taking care of dogs, or you have whatever it may be. You leverage the skill sets that you've learned with affiliate marketing. So how to advertise, how to write copy, and that to your benefit for your own product and service. So maybe you're not talking about those skill sets, but you're using those skill sets in your day-to-day. And that's why I think they're very transferable in everything that we do. Before I get into the tool, I just wanted to share with you that in the description of this video, you have a few things. One is you have all the resources that you need. So the tools that I'm going to be talking about in this video, the links are in the description of this video. You have my Facebook group that's also in the description of this video in case you want to join, get some support, and talk to me personally, and so on and so forth. That's there. And you also have a playlist to how to get to $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. The reason why I'm on this page right now is because I broke it down into 2 steps. And these are all the things that I'm following. This is the only 2 steps that I'm following with to get how to get to $1,000 per month. Why am I doing it this way? Is specifically because I do have a full-time job. I work a 9 to 5. That's my priority. This is a side hustle for me. As a side hustle, how are things working out? As a side hustle, am I able to just leverage my time to be able to create all these things? That's why I personally am doing this and documenting it in this kind of way. So that's what you see first and foremost. Okay, so there's step 1 and step 2. If you want everything else related to this step, it's in the description of this video. There's a playlist. Go to that playlist, watch it, and don't forget to subscribe if you like the transparency in the documentation of everything that I'm doing. Systeme.io, guys, let's go to Systeme.io and just go to the main page. I wanted to just share with you Systeme.io because first and foremost, I think it's one of the most simplistic tools out there, and it has a lot of benefits for a new person, but also an experienced marketer. That's more than anything else. I think the priority for me, the more experienced marketer, this is a system that when I started to get involved with it, because I was doing marketing in a specific way and I'm not advanced, but I'm, let's say, in the middle ranges, I'm also learning so much more as I go along. So I'm really happy to share this with you actually. So Systeme.io is something that I came across. I didn't know that it got started, I think a year or 2 years ago. It's a tool that I came across, and I've spoken about this many times. And I've before this, I was using ClickFunnels, and I've used Power Lead Systems, and I've used Online Sales Pro, and I've used Lead Pages, and I have used multiple ones. And I've also used Aweber and GetResponse and so on and so forth. So I've used a combination in order for me to run my business, the tools, the marketing system, the entire sales process. This whole step two, I had to create with two tools. First and foremost, two tools. One was a funnel builder, and the second was an autoresponder. So this was the first and foremost, the priority, right? These two things. Now, I'm not saying that these two tools are not good for you. I think you should have all the tools that you need, and you should always be optimizing your tool set that you have with affiliate marketing. So ClickFunnels is good, Aweber is good, GetResponse is good, ActiveCampaign is good. Whatever tools that you're using, I'm not putting them into a box or saying anything other than that they are good tools. They do cost though. So as you get started with affiliate marketing, it can be quite a costly affair. So for example, I was spending on just my tool set for my marketing, I was spending around $120 to $150 per month, guys, just on tools. And I realized at a certain point that I couldn't afford that, so I just stopped. I just stopped paying. And I felt like my marketing took a pause at that stage, right? Because you learn certain skill sets, you start to implement it, but then you just didn't see that it was worth keeping because of the time that it took to gain actually some momentum with it. So the moment I stopped gaining momentum, I just said, you know what, let's put these tools aside. I'm not going to pay the monthly bills, and that's it. So I was paying a lot of money just to get started. Now, the simplicity of this tool is I've done videos about it. In fact, I'm going to leave a playlist to the whole Systeme.io in case you want to see the others, but it's an all-in-one tool. So it is an autoresponder. It is a sales funnel. It can be your blog. Let me just show you what it has. It can be your blog. It can be your courses that you can create for your students. If you want to have students, if you're a coach, for example, you can have many automations, email campaigns, coupons, A/B testing, deadline funnels, webinar funnels, you name it, and it can be done with Systeme.io, to be honest. It has also payment features already implemented. I personally have Stripe implemented with it, but just to give an example, it has very good ratings, as you can see. And what else? Support is great. Perfect. They respond very quickly. And more than anything else, the simplicity of it is that you can get started completely for free, up to 2,000 contacts. And then after the 2,000 emails that you receive or you collect, you will have to pay $27 per month for the startup, and then the unlimited package is $97. So even the best package right here is cheaper than what I was paying to run my business before. So that's why I know that worst case scenario, when I reach that stage where I will be paying $97 per month, because I will be paying $97 per month, I will be satisfied enough, and I'm still saving money than what I was paying for the last 2 years. So that is the whole advantage in my thought process of how simple it is. So cost-wise, very much effective. More than anything else, if you are confused, let's say you're a new person, let's say you've joined Systeme.io as a tool, you're learning the platform, and you don't know what to do with it. Like, you honestly don't know what the platform is about. As you can see, I collect leads every day. I've built my whole entire sales process. This step 2 is built on Systeme.io. So basically, I send traffic, I advertise this page right here, which then takes the person to a training, which is a 20-minute training for myself. They get proof, results, everything, and they can decide whether they want to join or not. And that's about it. That's the process that I have. At the same time, I'm also collecting an email address. And as you can see right here, I'm going to show you, I have a campaign that has a 38, and you can see I started this campaign, created this campaign in February, but I have 38 emails consecutively. So it's about a month and a half of emails that they get. And so I need to calculate that time, but basically it's a month and a half. So 6 weeks of emails that they currently get. And I might add to that, change it, I don't know. But for now, it's a good amount of time. So I'm building a relationship in that time with my leads, and I'm super happy with this entire process. So everything of mine is built on Systeme.io. Now, besides everything, as I mentioned, if you joined you get access, right? Everything is zero. You don't have any emails. You don't have anything right here. Obviously, as I mentioned before, there's also the opportunity that if you do decide to become an affiliate and somebody does pay for the, obviously it goes ahead of the pricing, right? So if they go to the paid section, then you will have commissions earned. So for example, I'm going to actually show you this because I don't mind. I have $21.20 in pending commissions that I've earned from Systeme.io, basically when somebody got started, but that person dropped off and is not paying for it anymore. And the threshold for the commission payout is $30. So that's why it's just pending in my wallet there. The moment I hit $30, I'll be able to withdraw those funds and keep it moving. So $30 is the limit, the lowest limit. So that's pretty, I would say pretty okay, because even if somebody gets started with the startup plan, I think two people is all that you need to withdraw those funds. The moment you have two people, you can withdraw those funds, but otherwise they'll be pending until it gets active. So I'm pretty okay with it. It's not my priority to, build an income stream here, but it also can become an income stream, as you can see. And I have personally, I think 16 free members. So potentially 16 people, even if these 16, just to give you guys an idea, even if these 16 people get the startup plan, I would get, I believe 16, what is 60% of 60% of 27 is 16.2 into 16, which would be $250 per month if somebody just gets the $27 plan. That's how much I will be earning from those 16 people. It potentially can generate a great income stream for myself, right? Same is if it goes to $47 per month plan, the same 16 people, right? If they go to the next plan, then I get $451 per month. And if they go finally to the $97 per month plan, which is $58, which is brilliant to have commissions like this. Just those 16 people, guys, I'm already creating almost $1,000 per month on just 16 people who are using or leveraging this tool. So long-term wise, I pretty much see the value in this. The more free people you get, the more active people you get, the more active people you get, the more money you can make. You can use this tool. I think it's pretty simple and it's got 60% lifetime commission. So for me, that is amazing. Price-wise, affiliate-wise, right? I've never shown anybody this, so I wanted to share with you guys. But the advantage is, if you, like I said, if you're a new person, you've joined, you don't know how to use the tool, etc., you come here and not the affiliate dashboard, the student dashboard, and the affiliate, they have a whole certification process. Now, I want to show you guys this because I think it's really important. I haven't finished the certification process. I'm using the tool. I did everything myself, but they have the certification process. So the certification process goes to introduction, goes to all the main dashboards, and there's a quiz at the end of every one. So you make sure that you understand it and you know what you're doing. So they're really training you to use the tool to the best of their ability. So it explains about the funnels, explains about the editors, A/B testing, what is sales, what are order forms. I think it's giving a whole in-depth overview of affiliate marketing as well as what the tool can do for you. Blog structures is where I'm at right now. And then automations is where I'm at right now. There's automations, which I want to learn. I'm learning as well from the training of the actual course than if I would do it on my own. So it's quite interesting. Then you have orders, physical products, coupons. It shows you how to do all these things, sales, emails, account settings, which is very important, and then you finally get your certificate. When you do this as a new person or as an advanced marketer, maybe you're used to these tools, so you can build a landing page, you can build a sales page, you can build a webinar, so on, but you can also build a course exactly like this. So the nice part about it is that you are getting to see a course that's built by Systeme.io within Systeme.io. You're going through the whole course itself. And if you have ideas to create your own course, you can create your own course as well. And then you just add a payment option there and the person makes a payment option. So it's quite intuitive. It's quite user-friendly. It's a very simplistic tool, as I mentioned. It's very open. You have everything right here. You have also the marketplace. When you click on the marketplace, basically you see all the other offers that are there, different things that are info product services, templates, physical products. There are multiple things that are there here. And you can also find affiliate programs actually, which is quite cool. Things that are hosted, affiliate programs that are hosted within Systeme.io itself. It's like a Warrior Plus of its own. But in general, I personally like it specifically because of this. You hit contacts, you see the contacts, you have your filters. It's very intuitive. You hit your funnels. It's much more easier to build. I even have a blog, and let me show you guys this, even though right now I'm not using my blog that much, but I will still show it to you so that you guys can see. But let's go to view. just to give you guys an idea. You see, I have my entire blog set up and built so people can come here, they click, they go to my about section, they can go to my about section, they can see about me. I don't have many blog posts because I haven't posted for a while, but I started to do like 3-4 blog posts initially just to give some depth to the blog. Then I have the tools that I use, the pros and cons, people can get started. So this is something that I'm building out, and I'm using all the tools that are available as well. So you don't need to brand it with Systeme.io. You're building your own entire business with the simplicity of one tool. Now, I've seen a lot of tools out there that cost, and I still will hands down go to Systeme.io because the more I use it as a beginner and as an intermediate marketer, the more I'm inclined to use it as an expert as well. Share this tool with other people. And guess what? When you help other people build businesses as well, not just as an affiliate marketer, but just as a, say you help them build a sales process for your shop that sells whatever at the end of your road. You're helping them with, and they don't have to pay for this. They're only paying for your service to maintain it. And maybe they will go to get the paid options. So there are so many possibilities out there for you to be earning an income online with this simplicity in the tool. But more than anything else, it's easy to use. It's easy to use, and you can get certified completely on your own. You don't need anybody else, and it's free. What else do you want from a tool that helps you create the foundations for your business? This is why I personally built it. And yes, it's not an automated system where, if you want to copy exactly what I'm doing, you click a button and that's it. That's the lazy style of doing things. I want to teach you the skill set that gives you the possibility to build a page like this. It is very easy to do. We will have trainings about it in my group, but more than anything else, you can do it yourself. So I hope to give you that capability so that the power is in your hands. It took me a day to build this, literally a day to build this. And the building, it didn't take time. It was more my mindset of what exactly I wanted to get out of this page and how I wanted to build it to start off simplicity wise and then change it over time. So that's pretty much how I see it. I love what I do here. I love this as tool. And if you want free access to the tool, then the link is in the description. Otherwise, I'm going to see you guys on the next video. On tomorrow's video, I'm going to be talking about the daily method of operation. And not tomorrow's, day after tomorrow's video, I'm going to be talking about the daily method of operation and everything else with regards to how to get to $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. So hit that subscribe button. I'm going to see you on the next video, guys. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for dreams to come true.